everyone, I'm Sarah Estampes. Fire emergencies can happen anytime, and being prepared can save lives. In this video, we'll show the importance of fire safety, planning ahead, and knowing what to do in case of a fire. In this scene, the family gathers not because there's an emergency, but to prepare for one. They know that planning ahead can save lives. To learn more, they search online for fire safety tips, understanding fire hazards, escape strategies, and emergency actions. As they talk, they carefully study their house map, identifying the safest exits and choosing a meeting place outside. Every member knows their role, how to react quickly, where to go, and how to help others if needed. In the next scene, the family is gathered in the living room, unaware of the danger about to strike. Suddenly, a fire breaks out. Without hesitation, they react. Escaping is their only priority. Since the door is already open, they move quickly, staying low to avoid smoke. This scene shows that, in an emergency, preparation and clear thinking can save lives. In the last scene, a fire suddenly breaks out. One family member realizes her sister is still asleep and rushes to wake her up. As they reach the door, the sister checks the doorknob. It's hot! The fire is too close. Without panicking, they remember their plan and use as they can exit to escape. Outside, they reunite with their family at the meeting place. Everyone is safe. This scene shows the importance of quick thinking, having a backup exit, and never going back inside. In a fire, every second counts.